Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain.
sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, oh, love you better.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So before I even get into this video, I want to apologize. Honey, I replaced the batteries in my smoke detector, and apparently, I don't know if I got the wrong battery or what, but it's still beeping. So y'all just bear with me and bear with the beeps, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go and find another battery or whatever it needs, or call somebody, you know. Just bear with me for this video, okay? All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hurela Hair. Shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their Hurela Lace Part 13x4 Lace Frontal Wig. It is in the color TL412 Body Wave Blonde Highlight Human Hair Wig. Honey, yes, all of that was in the title part, okay? Okay, so let me see if I can find some more details. Okay, so on their site, it says hair type Brazilian, Malaysian, and Peruvian hair. The texture is body wave. The weight is 170 to 252 grams. I guess just depending on the length maybe, because it looks like it only comes in 150% density. The color is, as I stated, TL412. The cap size only comes in an average cap size, which is 22 to 22.5 inches. It is a frontal, and it's a 13 by frontal, as I stated. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as those details and specs. Okay, so I don't know what length that the company sent me. I'm trying to see what lengths this unit comes in. Okay, so the unit, you can get it in the basic lace part, meaning it will not be a frontal, so you do have that option, or you can get the 13x4. You choose what you want to choose, girl. The lengths that are available is 14 to 26 inches. I'm gonna say that this one is probably 22, maybe 24, but that's purely me speculating, because honey, they ain't tell me, girl. They ain't tell me, okay? But I'm gonna assume that it's 22 or 24 inches. I definitely do not think it's 26 inches, but y'all let me know what y'all think down below. What length y'all think it is, okay? And yeah, that is pretty much it. So, I want to go ahead and say that I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever. It did come tweezed. I also want to go ahead and mention that to me, the lace is a brown lace. It's definitely not a transparent or HD lace, because the lace, you probably can't see it as much because of my lighting, but the lace is darker than my skin tone. And if you watch me, then you know I always sort of have those issues with the brown lace. So I want to throw that out there as well. But the unit did come pre-tweezed. Like, girl, she woke up like this. You can definitely see the brown right there. But yeah, she woke up like this. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not experience any tangling prior to me curling it, but once I pin curled it up and I was brushing it out, I did get some tangles. So that may have just been because, child, I ain't the best pin curler or curler in general. So that was probably a team, my bad, but I did want to let you guys know. As far as shedding, I haven't noticed any straight out of the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't do any other things at some point, but straight out of the packaging, she did none of the things. As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so whenever I say a unit is big head or small head friendly, I'm just purely speculating. In my opinion, it's big head friendly because I definitely had to adjust the straps. I mean, honey, I had to crisscross them, okay? So in my opinion, it's definitely more so on the big head friendly side than not, but honey, do what you want to, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and a lit check, then please continue to watch. All right, honey, so my con, I have two cons with this unit. One being the brown lace, okay? That is just like a personal con. I feel like if you maybe even a shade darker than me, then it won't be an issue for you, but it is an issue for me because it doesn't, you know, the lace is very noticeable in my opinion, but that is just like a personal con. Another con would be that it is a 13x4 and I have to do like C parts, and which I'm getting kind of good at, okay? It's making me not dislike the 13x4s as much as I have in the past, but it's still gonna be my con, okay? So let me throw that out there, y'all. My smoke detector is driving me insane. Definitely gonna be finding those batteries today, okay, girl? But yeah, those would be my cons. So yeah, let's get into these pros. All right, so my pros would be with this unit is the fact that it came pre-tweezed. You know I love for a unit to wake up like this, honey. I love that. I love that for me because she's lazy. Another pro would be the color, because the color is absolutely amazing. I also love that it's 150% density, but honey, oh girl, is a little on the thick side in my opinion. I mean, you know, let me know what y'all think down below. But yeah, I love that. I love it, okay? I love the density of this unit. And another pro is that it wasn't a whole lot of lace that I had to cut off. Like you guys know, I always tell you guys in a lot of my videos, I have very large ears. And one thing about Hurela hair, all of their units seem to fit perfectly. Like I only have to cut off just like a little bit right here to get the unit to fit. I don't actually have to cut the hair and all of that stuff that I have to do with other units. So that is always a pro, and that is like one of my favorite things about this particular company. Like I love their units. Like they always fit perfectly. So yeah. Would I recommend this unit? Yes, girl. I feel like she is springtime fine, summertime fine. Honey, this is the type of unit you want to wear, okay? When in this type of weather, honey. Not saying you can't wear it year round, but she just giving me spring and summer vibes, honey. She just makes me feel springy. You know what I mean? So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. And I would also just recommend this company just for like I said, with the lace fitting, you know, like how it fits, it makes things a lot easier, okay? And I haven't gotten a unit from this company, I don't think, that didn't come pre-tweezed. So okay, even if you don't want, oh girl, definitely check out another one, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling this unit as much as I am. Let me know if it's a look, if it's a vibe. Let me know down below in the comments. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this hair and sponsoring this video. I appreciate it, boo. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
If only